Some people feel almost nothing when others get close. They don't panic, miss, or cling. At first, this looks like emotional strength. But psychology sees something quieter underneath. These people learned early that attachment has a cost. The mind remembers emotional pain longer than joy. So it adapts by staying slightly distant. Distance feels safer than hope. They connect intellectually, not emotionally. This creates the illusion of control. But control is not the same as peace. Not getting attached is not the absence of need. It is the suppression of it. The brain labels closeness as a risk signal. Detachment becomes a habit, not a choice. Over time, they confuse independence with numbness. They feel stable, but also untouched. Relationships stay shallow without obvious conflict. Nothing breaks, but nothing grows. The real fear is not loss. The real fear is needing someone. Needing means exposure. Exposure means vulnerability. So, attachment is avoided before it starts. This strategy works short-term. Long-term, it isolates quietly. Emotional distance reduces pain and joy equally. The nervous system stays calm, but understimulated. Safety replaces intimacy, and safety slowly replaces connection.